expeditioner. Tapos, timer locals.
All expeditioner, TP out, and then
Locals time.
local, give us the countdown.
2,
3, 2, 1,
1.
Go. Expeditioner, delay the enemy, delay the enemy. Expeditioner.
right?
Yeah.
Nagbalis.
Delay the enemies,
Delay the enemies.
Ano, may 1 minute.
Sige lang, delay, kaya yan, delay.
Sige. Laban sa monolith na ha. Everyone fighting monolith ha.
Kill local.
Nothing else fighting monolith.
45
Just
seconds.
kill locals.
Local.
Few minutes left. Second.
30 seconds.
Just delay, RB. Just delay.
Yun, nasa first hook lang.
Just delay everything. Huwag ka kampante.
20 seconds.
20 seconds.
18. Ayun na, congrats.
Okay,
Wala na yan. Huwag na kayo magtanong.
DC.
10,
So, tayo na DC.
8,
DC.
7,
naglalag ako. Sobrang dami.
Wala na.
Nice.
Na-DC ako.
Nice one. Patingin nila
Mission.
Mission ako. Fish.
Thank you, Wang Yo.
Congrats.
Good.
Thank you. Sorry, I'm late.
Ilan laman ng SRT?
Thank you.
Ilan laman?
Nice. Thank you. Nice.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Ilan laman?
Oh, heal Wang Yo. Heal Wang Yo.
Hindi ako sa page.
Guys,
Supports. Go to Snake.
Let's go for mission.
Go.
SP11.
Wang Yo. Peso yung
Pasis ako ng pasis ako na expedition.
SP11. SP11 wag yung. Let's go.
11?
11.
SP11.
Thank you guys.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go. SP11 guys. Let's go.
Nice one. Na-record ko, guys. Maganda kaya. Wala tayo na-capture ko.
So, SP11.
Ang galing nyo doon. Hindi pa magkakamali, hindi pinatipi ah.
Take all? We will take all?
Yeah, we will take all wang yung.
Green.
You can also summon goblin, right? Wang yung.
No.
We need a
Which
mission
green?
wang yung.
Which green are we going to?
I do not.
Let's try to it's Ward 8 later.
Green boss ba muna?
Wait.
Labo nung ano ko, screenshot ko.
Wait lang, disconnect ako.
Tali.